Can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Do you speak French?
Yes, I speak a little French.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Could you lend me a hand?
Sure, what can I assist you with?
Are you familiar with coding?
Yes, I have some knowledge of coding.
What did you think of the movie?
I enjoyed it, thank you.
Would you be interested in joining us?
Certainly, what's the plan?
Have you ever been to London?
No, I haven't had the chance yet.
What's your favorite type of music?
I really enjoy classical music.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Sure, here you go.
Are you familiar with graphic design?
Yes, I have some experience in graphic design.
What did you think of the book?
I found it captivating, thank you.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Absolutely, I suggest trying the Italian place downtown.
How's your day going so far?
It's been pretty busy, but productive.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. I could use a cup right now.
Are you comfortable with public speaking?
Not really, but I'm working on it.
How was your trip to Paris?
It was amazing, thanks. The city is so beautiful.
Can you give me a hand with this puzzle?
Of course, I'll help you solve it.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going to the beach.
What's your favorite sport?
I'm a big fan of basketball.
Have you ever tried meditation?
Yes, I practice meditation regularly.
How's your family doing?
They're all well, thanks for asking.
Could you provide some feedback on this?
Certainly, I'll give you my thoughts.
Are you skilled at playing the guitar?
Yes, I play the guitar quite well.
What did you think of the art exhibition?
I thought it was impressive, thank you.
Can you lend me a hand with moving?
Of course, I'd be glad to help you move.
Have you ever traveled to Asia?
No, I haven't been there yet.
How's the weather looking today?
It's sunny and warm, a beautiful day.
Can you offer some advice on this matter?
Sure, I'll give you my perspective.
Do you enjoy hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I find it very refreshing and relaxing.
How was your experience at the concert?
It was fantastic, I had a great time.
Would you mind proofreading my essay?
Not at all, I'll take a look at it.
Are you familiar with coding languages?
Yes, I know Java and Python.
What did you think of the play?
I found it quite entertaining, thanks.
Can you help me understand this concept?
Absolutely, I'll explain it to you.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, I haven't had the courage to try it.
How was your weekend getaway?
It was relaxing and enjoyable, thanks.
Would you be willing to provide some feedback?
Of course, I'd be happy to give you feedback.
Are you skilled at cooking?
Yes, I love cooking and trying new recipes.
What's your opinion on the new policy?
I think it has its pros and cons.
Could you assist me in preparing for the presentation?
Certainly, I'll help you get ready.
How was your trip to the national park?
It was breathtaking, thank you.
Can you give me some tips for gardening?
Sure, here are a few pointers.
Have you ever visited Australia?
Yes, I traveled there a couple of years ago.
How's your progress on the project?
It's going well, I'm making good strides.
Would you like to go for a walk?
That sounds nice, I'd love to join you.
Are you knowledgeable about astronomy?
Yes, I've always been interested in space.
What did you think of the movie's ending?
I found it quite unexpected, but interesting.
Can you offer some insight into this issue?
Of course, I'll share my thoughts on it.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, I enjoy it as a challenging activity.
How was your vacation in the mountains?
It was serene and rejuvenating, thank you.
Can you help me proofread my cover letter?
Certainly, I'll review it for you.
What's your opinion on the new technology?
I think it has the potential to revolutionize the industry.